morning students. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the revision of poem When I Set Out for Leonesis. Students, in this video lecture we will see the summaries of the poem. We will discuss MCQs and some short question answer of the poem. So keep attention. Listen me carefully. We'll start today's lecture. Revision of poem 7 When I Set Out for Leonesis, written by Thomas Hardy. So, when I set out for Leonesis, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Leonesis, 100 miles away. In the first stanza, the poet Thomas Hardy expresses the surroundings, nature, when he set out for the place Leonesis. When he set out his journey, how the atmosphere, how the surroundings, nature is, it is described in first stanza. So again we will see, we will try to understand first stanza. When I set out for Leonesis, 100 miles away. When I set out, when I started my journey at Leonesis, which was 100 miles away. The place is 100 miles away. At that time, the rime means frost. Yeah, means the rime was on the spray. Spray means leaves or small branches of the plants. So the poet wanted to say us, when he set out for the place Leonesis, which was 100 miles away, at that time the frost, the rime was on the spray, on the leaves or on the branches of the plants, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. And starlight lit my lonesomeness. Starlight, this word, the word starlight shows that the poet began his journey at the night time. And so because of night, starlight lit the poet's lonesomeness. Lonesomeness means aloofness. When I set out for Leonesis, 100 miles away, which was 100 miles away, when I started my journey at Leonesis, which is 100 miles away, starlights lit my lonesomeness, my aloofness, and the rime was on the spray, and the place which is 100 miles away. What would be chance at Leonesis? Now what happened, what will happen, what would happen at Leonesis while I should sojourn? Sojourn means stay, to live at any one place, it means sojourn. What would be chance means happen. What would happen at Leonesis while I should sojourn there, why I should stay there? No prophet durst declare, no any prophet, no any angel durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. Not only prophet but also wisest wizard also could not guess what would be chance at Leonesis. With the poet, when he stayed there. So in second stanza, the poet Thomas Hardy wants to say us that whenever he was at Leonis's and what would happen with him, it could not be declared, be gauged by prophet or by wisest wizard. When I return from Leonis's, and when I return from Leonis's with magic in my eyes, when I return from Leonis's, in my eyes there may be magic, all marked with mute sunrise, and so all the other people, all the other person marked they not with mute sunrise. My radiance rare and fathomless, and at that time my radiance are rare and fathomless. When I return from Leonis's with magic in my eyes, and when I return from Leonis's with magic in his eyes. So it is very simple poem and a very short poem. In this poem, the poet Thomas Hardy describes the surroundings. He also describes the place of Leonis's and what effect will be happen on the poet. It also could not be gauged by any prophet or wisest wizard, and when he returned from Leonis's, there will be magic in his eyes. Now we will see some MCQs question first. The first question is here: the poet of the poem is Thomas Hardy, R.N. Tagore, Edward Lear, and William Blake. So the poet of this answer is Thomas Hardy. Same questions: who is the poet of the poem When I Set Out for Leonis's? So answer: T.S. Eliot, Thomas Hardy, Rabindranath Tagore, and Firdaus Kanga. So right answer of this question is Thomas Hardy. Number 3, the rhyme was on the spray. The rhyme was on the spray. What do you mean by the word rhyme? Rhyme means rhyme. A rhyme means frost. A rhyme means leaves. A rhyme means trees. So I told you when I explained the poem, the rhyme, the meaning of rhyme. The meaning of rhyme is frost. The rhyme was on the spray. So the meaning of rhyme word is frost. Who could have not guessed what happened in Leonis's? Option A, the poet. B, prophet. C, wisest wizard. And D, both B and C. Correct answer of these questions: prophet and also wisest wizard could not guess what happened with poet in Leonis's. Next questions: how far was Leonis's? How far was Leonis's? Option A, 100 miles away. B, 200 miles away. C, 400 miles away. And D, very near. So the correct answer of these questions: how far was Leonis's? The correct answer of these questions is 100 miles away. Again, how far the Leonis's is? Leonis's is 100 miles away. Why did he go to Leonis's? Why did he go to Leonis's? So option A, to supervise churn restoration, to supervise hotel restoration, to celebrate New Year, or on a vacation. So the answer of these questions, the poet went to Dionysus for to celebrate a New Year. Next questions, next MCQs. The leaves were covered by. The leaves were covered by. So answer, the leaves were covered by ice. The leaves were covered by frost. The leaves were covered by dust. Yeah, the leaves were covered by dirt. So correct answer of these questions, the leaves were covered by frost. Next questions, no one could predict, no one could predict what might happen tomorrow, how the wizard would act, what might happen at Leonesis, and what had happened earlier. So the right answer of these questions, no one could predict what what might happen at Leonesis. Next questions, next MCQs. The poet was going to meet a wise man. The poet was going to meet a wise wizard. The poet was going to stay at Dionysus. And last answer, the poet was going to declare like prophet. So the right answer of these questions, the poet was going to stay at Dionysus. The word sojourn means the same as. So the word sojourn, I told earlier, the word sojourn means option A silence, B sake, C solar, and D stay. So the correct meaning of the word sojourn means stay. What did he return with? What did the poet return with? Magic in his eyes, radiance, both A and B, none of the above. So in the last stanza we saw that when the poet returned with, there was magic in his eyes and also radiance in his eyes. So correct answer of this questions is what did he return with? So he returned with magic in his eyes and radiance. How? Now we will see some long question answer. How poet is feeling while traveling to Dionysus? So answer, the poet is feeling lonely. The poet is feeling lonely while traveling as no one accompanied him. The poet's feeling lonely while traveling as no one accompanied him. Next questions. Which season is there when poet is traveling? Which season is there when poet is traveling? The winter season is in the poem. This can be understood by the line, the rhyme was on the spray. Means when the poet is traveling, the winter season is on. The winter season is in the poem. And this can be understood by the line, the rhyme was on the spring. Next, what changes occur in poet after he returned from Dionysus? Which are the some changes which will be happen in poem when he returned from Leonesis. So when the poet returned from Leonesis, he had strange glows in his eyes. He had strange glows. He had strange glows in his eyes. It seemed as if he had magic eyes that glowed from inner radiance. What did people notice on poet's return from the Paris? On the return from the Paris, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and a crumbled piece of paper sticking out his coat pocket. So these are two things. The people noticed when the poet returned from the house. First is, on his return from the Paris, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and crumbled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. So I hope you have understood the poet very well, and if you have any confusion, then call me. Thanks.